Hey guys, Candice from Crema Coffee Garage. We've been getting such great feedback from our followers about our reviews on Crema's extensive range of home manual machines. So we thought it was only fitting for us to show you some of the amazing home automatic machines in our range also. This is the Jura E8. E8 from Jura is a high-quality automatic coffee machine with a classic black finish and distinctive design, which makes it the perfect kitchen accessory for making superb coffee at home. The E8 features Jura's own pulse extraction process, or PEP for short, and Jura's one-touch technology. As the name would suggest, this allows the owner to program up to 12 different beverages on the coffee menu and then select them with just a touch of a button. Using PEP technology, the E8 uses this one-of-a-kind brewing process to optimise the extraction time and guarantees the best aroma and the nicest flavour in your espresso. Let's take a closer look at some of its great features. On the top, it has a 280 gram bean hopper with an aroma preservation cover. This is to ensure the longevity of your coffee beans. Now, to grind those beans, the E8 uses the Aroma G3 grinder, which is very quiet in comparison to some other machines on the market, but it also gives you a lot more control when it comes to dosing your shot. Like most of the Jura range, the E8 can actually dose up to 16 grams per shot, giving you the ability to have a true double shot at home. Now, in comparison to a lot of other home automatic machines, they actually may require you to do 2 rounds of coffee to get the same level of strength. The E8 also has up to 6 different levels of coarseness to control your grind setting. Our experienced mechanics here at Crema recommend that you set this coarseness between medium to coarse. Now, you can click the link below to find a more extensive talk on the cleaning and the maintaining of the Jura home automatic machines, and in that video you'll find an explanation as to why we recommend that. In addition to PEP, the E8 will use a short pre-infusion to briefly saturate the coffee before brewing. Now, this is done by starting with a very low pressure to ensure an even and a well-balanced extraction of your espresso. So a very large and important component of coffee is, of course, water. And the E8 uses the intelligent CLARIS Smart water filter in its 1.9 litre water tank. This ensures the optimal water quality to produce the purest tasting coffee. The water tank has also been given an upgrade to the premium ridge design, and it now also has an internal metal handle. So the smart filter, they use RFID technology, giving your machine the ability to monitor your filter. This means it will prompt you when it needs to be inserted and when it needs to be replaced as well. The easy-to-use TFT Colour Display shows your full coffee menu along with its settings menu, maintenance status, and many more. Using the E8's special expert mode, you are now in full control with up to 8 levels of coffee strength to choose from, 2 levels of brewing temperatures, and adjustable sizes of your drinks. With the dual height adjustable spouts, the E8 gives you the ability to make up to 2 black coffees at one time. It also has the bonus of having a powder chute here on the top. This is for anyone wanting to have an alternate coffee variety, perhaps like having a decaf. To take advantage of all the amazing features of this machine, you could also download the Joe app on your smartphone or your smart tablet. Using the Smart Connect capabilities, which actually comes included with the latest edition of the E8. Now, not all machines have this. You can use your phone or your tablet to customize your coffees to suit everybody's taste preferences. This includes the temperature and the strength. And then you send the coffee order straight to the machine. Now, if your cup's already there ready to go, you don't have to touch a button. And what a great show off this is when you've got the whole family over. You can even create a whole order for everyone's coffee. A great new feature is the new professional fine foam frother G2 that actually comes standard with the latest E8. It's made of the highest quality materials and has a very professional design and feel to it. It gives you the complete control over the amount of milk foam on the top of your coffees. The E8, like most of the Jura automatic machines, uses active monitoring to tell you when you need to perform a few very important tasks, such as refilling your bean hopper, your water tank, but also when you may need to empty your grounds container or your drip tray. The E8 gives you the full range of the Australian coffee menu. Milk coffee drinks are made at the touch of a button. You simply place your cup under the side nozzle and you don't have to move it once the milk has been made. It will simply pour the espresso from the same position. It uses the milk line tubing system, which can be either placed into a container of your choice, but why not use the glass milk container or the ever popular thermos canister as well. Using this system, it draws the milk up, and using the dial you can actually adjust the level of foam on the top of your coffee. It can either simply heat the milk whilst on a very fine setting to produce a flat white, or you could move it all the way up to full froth for your cappuccinos. Maintaining and cleaning the E8 has been made really simple by Jura with their integrated cleaning and rinsing systems. The milk line system is programmed to prompt you to run a rinse cycle every 10 minutes after making a milk coffee, a function which can be easily turned off if you choose and then done manually at your own leisure. Now, for a more in-depth clean of the milk line system, the E8 comes with a handy cleaning container which, along with Jura's milk line cleaner and their easy to follow visual instructions, eliminates any possibility of residual milk sitting in the lines, and the machine will actually prompt you when this needs doing also. A more extensive clean of the coffee component will be prompted roughly every 180 coffees, which can be achieved using the two-phase cleaning tablets, some of which you will get included when you purchase your machine. The E8 has fast become one of Jura's most popular home automatic coffee machines, and it's not hard to see why, guys. They could not have made it easier for you to get cafe quality coffee in your own home, with no more effort than simply touching a button. Now, if you have any more questions about the E8 or any of Jura's amazing automatic machines, please don't hesitate to send us a message below, guys. Otherwise, you can click on the link in the description below and it'll take you straight over to our website where you'll find the full range of the Jura automatic machines. Now, don't forget to give us a follow on Facebook and Instagram to stay up to date on all the best coffee products available right now in our store, or better yet, online. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Cheers.